Hey everyone, welcome back to Botplix. This is a place where we break down what's actually happening in AI without the fluff. I'm May. Today is February 7th, 2026. And honestly, this week in AI was kind of insane. Big tech just committed hundreds of billions of dollars to artificial intelligence. New models are freaking out Wall Street, and regulators are officially starting to panic. If you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on notifications because the future is unfolding fast. All right, let's jump in. First up, the big one. Big tech is spending money on AI like there's no tomorrow. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta just reported earnings. And together, they're on track to spend between 635 and $665 billion this year, mostly driven by AI. That's a 67% jump from last year. Amazon alone shocked everyone. They announced $200 billion for AI and cloud infrastructure, which is about 50 billion more than analysts expected. Google is planning around 180 billion, Microsoft about 145 billion, and Meta somewhere between 115 and 135 billion. So why spend this much? Because AI at this scale needs massive infrastructure, more GPUs, more data centers, and way more energy. Whoever controls compute controls the future. But here's the twist. This spending spree actually spooked investors. Traditional software stocks dropped hard: CRMs, analytics tools, workflow software. Investors are realizing something important. AI isn't just helping software anymore, it's starting to replace it. Earlier this week, nearly $1 trillion was wiped off tech valuations. At the same time, though, Wall Street bonuses are soaring, Bitcoin bounced back, and AI infrastructure stocks are booming. My take: this feels like an AI gold rush. Some companies get crushed, others become insanely valuable, and that shift showed up clearly in model releases. Let's talk about Anthropic. They just released Claude Opus 4.6, and this one is serious. This isn't just a chatbot anymore, it's built for real knowledge work. It has a 1 to million token context window, basically an entire book remembered at once. It also supports multi agent teams, meaning multiple AI agents can split tasks, collaborate, and check each other's work. It's especially strong at documents, spreadsheets, financial analysis, legal work, and even cybersecurity testing. Anthropic also expanded their co work platform so teams can automate workflows, marketing, legal, HR without writing code. Wall Street noticed because this directly threatens traditional enterprise software. And then OpenAI responded. OpenAI dropped GPT-5 3 Codex, their most agent like model yet. It's about 25% faster, and it can handle projects that run for days, not minutes. Things like building full apps, designing games, running research, and even creating slide decks. It actually helped debug parts of its own training. On benchmarks, it crushed SWE Bench at 56.8% and OS World at 64.7%. OpenAI also launched Frontier, which helps companies deploy AI agents across teams more easily. The message is clear: AI isn't just a tool anymore, it's starting to act like a coworker. Meanwhile, over on X, things are getting wild. There are rumors about GPT-6 Vision, with people saying it understands real world physics better than humans. Robotics stocks jumped almost immediately. February is also looking packed, with leaks and rumors mentioning Claude Sonnet 5, Gemini 3, and Grok 4.2. One viral post even showed SoftBank's emotion modulating AI. It detects angry customer calls and calms people down in real time. If that works at scale, call centers will never be the same. Now, some under the radar research you might have missed. Researchers open sourced OpenScholar, an AI tool that beats major models at scientific literature reviews. It pulls from 45 million open access papers, links directly to sources, and massively reduces hallucinations. Huge deal for researchers and students. Tencent also released a paper showing how a tiny 196 billion parameter model can behave like a full AI agent. It can plan, use tools, and self correct all without external systems. And finally, a new survey introduced Saga, where AI agents evolve their own objectives. This could change drug discovery, materials, science, and more. Of course, regulators are watching closely. In the UK, authorities are investigating Grok over AI generated imagery and warning about privacy risks from agentic AI. London launched a task force on AI and jobs. and police facial recognition is facing legal challenges. In the EU, new rules will require labeling deepfakes and synthetic content, while also loosening regulations to build massive AI factories faster. Translation: governments are trying to catch up, but AI is still moving faster. So, where does this all lead? People on X are predicting continual learning gets solved, models start self verifying, and we move toward an agent to agent economy. Some are even calling for a human only internet, as AI traffic reportedly hits 95% of the web. So I'll leave you with this. Are we watching the real acceleration toward AGI, or is this just another step along the way? Let me know what you think in the comments. Like the video if you want more weekly AI updates, and share it with someone who's still sleeping on this shift. Thanks for watching. This is May, and I'll see you next time on Botplix.